In a major leap forward for British air power, the Royal Air Force has formally deployed the Protector RG Mk1 drone fleet, ushering in a new era of unmanned aerial capabilities. Announced on June 17, 2025, this move marks the first time a remotely piloted aircraft has been fully cleared for operations within the United Kingdom's controlled airspace, reflecting both advanced technological integration and strict regulatory compliance. This drone, derived from the Mk1B Sky Guardian platform by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems Incorporated, is tailored specifically for use in both civilian and military airspace. It distinguishes itself as the first drone system in British service with full certification to fly alongside manned aircraft, highlighting its robust design and sophisticated avionics. The RAF's 56th Squadron spearheaded the operational evaluation, supported logistically by 31 Squadron. After a successful flight connecting RAF Waddington and RAF Marham, the drone proved its readiness for integration into the UK's defence architecture. Additional evaluation missions are scheduled throughout the summer, with full transition from the aging Mk1 Reaper fleet slated for completion later this year. Beyond traditional combat roles, the Protector RG-1 expands the scope of aerial operations to include civil applications such as maritime patrols, search and rescue missions, and border monitoring. With 4 airframes already in the UK and 3 undergoing trials in the US, the program is ramping up toward a fleet of 16 aircraft, all of which will be based at RAF Waddington, the hub of drone operations and training. What sets the Protector apart is its impressive 48-hour flight endurance and capability to reach altitudes of up to 12,000 meters. Outfitted with a comprehensive intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) suite, including electro-optical/infrared sensors, synthetic aperture radar, and signals intelligence tools, the drone offers unmatched battlefield awareness and target tracking precision. As a weaponized platform, it carries Brimstone 3 missiles and Paveway 4 laser-guided bombs, reinforcing its tactical versatility in high-risk environments. This dual-role capability allows it to serve both as an eye in the sky and a precision strike asset, aligning with the UK's strategic emphasis on multi-domain operations. RAF Waddington is now home to a state-of-the-art training centre managed by 54 Squadron, equipped with cutting-edge simulators and the RAF's first certifiable ground control stations. This facility not only trains British personnel but also supports NATO's multinational pilot training initiatives, strengthening the UK's role in Allied defence cooperation. Air Chief Marshal Sir Rich Knighton hailed the deployment as a landmark moment, crediting the coordinated efforts of military experts and industry collaborators. Operated remotely from domestic control stations, the Protector offers global reach with minimal logistical footprint, able to perform intelligence gathering, reconnaissance, and strike missions with precision and persistence. With its seamless integration into UK airspace, long-range endurance, and multi-role versatility, the Protector RG Mk1 is more than a technological upgrade, it represents a fundamental shift in how the RAF will project power, respond to crises, and safeguard national interests in a rapidly evolving threat landscape.